Hello my sweet friends and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another video in my Fall in Love with Fall series, and this time guys I'm bringing back the glam and I'm doing some DIY glam pumpkins. I hope you enjoy. So I'm going to start off guys with a metre of this beautiful champagne pink fabric that I picked up from Spotlight recently. Now over the years guys I have made toilet paper roll pumpkins and they're one of my favourite DIYs. So today I'm going to show you how I made these ones. So I basically started out by just cutting a square of fabric. Now the bigger the square, the bigger your pumpkin. So all I did here was I flipped over the fabric and I'm going to place a toilet paper roll in the centre. Now you're then going to take some hobby fill. Now you can either cut up an old cushion here guys, or you can get a bag of it from Spotlight as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it around the toilet paper roll. So what I'm doing here is just fluffing it out so I can give a lot more fullness to the pumpkin. You're then going to take a corner and you're going to start stuffing it into the middle of the toilet paper roll. You're going to just play around with this guys. So you just keep pushing and pushing from each side until you have that really nice fullness. Now once I was happy with the result, I then started on my second pumpkin. Now this one I did a little bit different guys. I just take that toilet paper roll and unwind it to about 15 squares. Then I'm going to wind it back up. You're just going to twist in the middle and then wind it back up. This is going to create a bigger base for your pumpkin. Now repeating the same steps, you're going to add some more of that hobby fill right round and then tuck everything into the middle. Now you can see here that I'm just taking some scissors and I'm placing it into the center. This helps push the fabric down guys, and it's just a case of pulling it out, pushing it back in until you get that desired effect of the pumpkin. Now once I'd completed both pumpkins, I wanted one to be a little larger and a little smaller. So what we're going to work on now is some ways to make stems. Now the first way I'm going to make an easy stem guys is by taking some of these craft pipe cleaners. Now what you will do is you take about 3, you're then going to bend them over and then you're going to twist. Now off camera I took some of this glitter ribbon and I hot glued it around the stem. So you can basically make your own decision on what colour stem you want to make just by adding ribbon. You find the way you are. I want to know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you as you know. Now I recently just purchased these beautiful bows from Amazon guys. They are so glam and girly and I just loved them. And I love that they were the same colour as the fabric. Now this also wouldn't be a Chelle glam DIY without a touch of Chanel. So I had some leftover black Chanel ribbon and I'm going to place that around the stem. So just stay for a little while.
So just stay for a little while.
So starting on the second pumpkin, I'm going to use the same method with the pipe cleaners, but I'm actually going to use this dollar store self-adhesive rhinestone, and I'm just going to wrap it around and around.
And it's cold outside, but you make it alright. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when I'm lying in your arms. Oh, my heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You'll fix what's broken when you make.
Now I'm going to add another Chanel ribbon, but I'm this time, guys, going to add this gorgeous glitter angel wings, which was actually a Christmas decoration from last year. Now I then started on my third DIY. Now I was inspired by a video I saw on Instagram last year from where there was some beautiful blush pink fir pumpkins going around overseas, and unfortunately we did not get them here. So I decided to cut up one of my old fir blush pink cushions, and I'm going to use the same method and make a fir cushion.
You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while. My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. Stay for a little while.
Now you're just going to continue to fluff it around, guys, until you get your desired effect.
If I wrote you a song.
Now guys, I'm going to show you a couple of options when it comes to a stem for this one. I had some glitter pipe cleaners that I'm going to start off with the first option.
Would it make any difference? Would it change for the better?
Now I started off with about 6 of these here because I wanted to make them a little bit fuller, and just bending them over once again and place them inside.
Is it maybe because I never knew?
Now I had a packet of these dollar store angel wings that have a little clip on the back, and this is my first option.
Told me baby you're lost, but I am too. Whatever the cost, we'll make it through. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do?
Now I also wanted to show you what it looks like with one of those beautiful glam bows. Now I also wanted to show you, I searched my home, guys, for something that would resemble a stem, and this is actually one of those paint rollers, and what I'm going to do is I had some glitter foam, and I'm going to hot glue the glitter foam to the roller. I'm then going to add one of those pretty pink bows to the front, and I'm so happy with how these came.
Don't know what to believe in, don't know how to pray, but I pray anyway. Tell me you're the one for me supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too. That you're the only one for me, and I'm the only one for you. Tell me you're the one for me now. 'Cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too. That you're the only one for me, and I'm the only one for you.
It is winter time here in Australia, guys, and it is so cold right now. Every year I play along with the rest of the world as my overseas friends prepare for the fall season. So these are my ideas on how to decorate for fall right through to Halloween. It's one of my favourite times of the year to decorate, guys, and I love bringing DIY projects that anyone can do.
There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. Let me know when you're here, meet me up for a smoke outside. I regret what I said, didn't mean it. Yeah, believe me, I guess I'll take it back. There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. I know that summer was a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in to what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in to what we want, to what we want.
If you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves sharing my passion for home decor. I share DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours of my home. So if that's something that may interest you, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
Our hands away from each other. Did you ever tell her I have to sleep in the bed I made? I don't sleep much at all these days. 'Cause you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget, guys, I'm uploading now 2 times a week. So I'll be back Sunday morning at 8:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. So if you could tap your notification bells and subscribe to my channel, I will love to have you come along for Chelle's Glam Home fall decorating journey. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.